Today, ultimately the police team, they found out the dead body of that kid, which is very, very painful. And immediately we sent the dead body to the hospital for the postmortem. And now we are waiting for the report of the postmortem. But of course, from the police side, though the report is awaited, it looks like a murder case. It looks like a murder case. So now the police is on the job. I'm very soon we will be able to come out to the breakthrough of this issue, and we will be able also to book the criminal, the concerned criminal who committed such a very unfortunate crime. Investigation team is under the leadership of the SP himself. SP is Kasim's. The investigation team is on.
So such cases are recurring again and again. So what do you make out of this scenario in the city?
Well, I think as of now, you know better. Because see, please understand one thing. You cannot just blame the government, because so many people, any issue happen, they blame the government. But I personally feel that we need to also have a proper education to the parents. They need to take care of the kids. Why, how the kid was disappeared. So from the police side, we are trying our best to make sure that safety of the citizens of the state is always there. But as far as criminal activities happen, I think you cannot say that the lapses happen just because of the police force. So my appeal to all the concerned is, let us also take care of our children, or let us also be little more preventive of ourselves, because nowadays you really don't know much what is going to happen. So I would like to request all the concerned to make sure that wherever you go or whatever you do, you need to also understand whether this is safe or not.